Hey cousins, it's your girl Chrissy Pips. Welcome back to the channel. Today is our Money Market Monday video on Tuesday because I was traveling with my team and my mentor over the weekend for a conference for trading and things like that. So I didn't get a chance to get a Monday video in as I was on an airplane. But since I'm here now, I figured I'd share the sauce with you guys. You know, the market is moving beautifully. ACAT is doing some things that we need to talk about. So do me a favor, go ahead, give the video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and as always, if you guys are here, you're interested. So let's get into it. Now, yes, I'm losing my voice just a little bit, but we will power through. Now, as normal, we will take a look at Forex Factory to see how things are going. And right now, ACAT is moving up. Beautiful movement right now. Same thing for AU, EUR-U, and UCAT. Everything is moving up and sideways, so pretty good movement right now. Let's see. Do we have any crazy folders today? So retail sales information at 9:30 p.m. today. And that's on the odd. Let's see. We got a couple red folders for CAD tomorrow, Thursday. GBP. So we got a couple red folders. Let's see. Let's take a look at why traders care. Banks use of economic conditions. So this one at 10 a.m. on Wednesday might actually make the charts react a little bit. Let's take a look at this one. Okay, investors and monetary policy. Okay, so this one might as well. Retail sales information. Of course, there's no big explanation here. Let's see. And this is just consumer spending. So we have a couple red folders that we want to look out for. So just look for spikes and dips in the market around these times when this news comes out. Okay? But let's get over to the fun part because I want to show you guys what ACAT is doing. Okay, so let's take a look at ACAT on the daily time frame. And as normal, you know, we start with our handy dandy trend line. And I still want to go over the consistency in movement in the charts, you know? Like, it's important to understand. This was a beautiful bounce. I hope you guys caught this last week. We went over it in the Monday video. But this is what the daily markup looks like. Okay, just want to show you the consistency in movement. We got a close below our 23, so we could take the higher high. We are still looking for price to push back up. But let's go over to the 4 hour and take a look to see what that is saying to us as well. Okay, so let's take a look at ACAT, and as normal, we start with our handy dandy trend line. We were pushing down part of last week and the week before, but we are not doing that now. So I want to show you guys the progression and the consistency of these fib levels, why we use Fibonacci the way that we do, because the consistency is real, okay? Like, it's a big thing for me. I want to show you guys. Let me move this over just a little bit. There we go. But the consistency is beautiful. It gave us entry after entry after entry after entry on the way down, and gave us the reversal when we were looking for the trend line break and the retest. It gave us the push off as well. So, new trend line, right? Because market direction has changed. We want to make sure that we're taking into account this information. So we're also going to draw out some handy dandy fibs. and the extension because we did not get a touch at 50. So we could be looking to push up to about 0.97846 as a take profit, looking at some of these other entries. But let's go over to the 1 hour so I can show you what that looks like too. Now this is what our 1 hour chart looks like. What do we start with? Handy dandy trend line. For those of you who might be new to the channel, when you're drawing out your trend lines, let me go ahead and unlock it. You're just counting out 4 points. For an uptrend, you need a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high. Those are the 4 points that you need. And then each time you make a higher low, that's where you're going to adjust your trend line to, okay? So the second point, this dot here, this is the first dot, first point, second point, ends up at the origin of the higher high. So this is our higher high right here. And this is the origin of this high. So that's where we drop it at. So we'll go ahead and lock this back in place. And then I want to show you guys the fibs on the way up here as well. Okay. And we didn't get a 50%, but we got that 236 reaction, which gives us the ability to draw out our fib extension. Okay, so this is the extension tool right down here. Okay, but this is beautiful. So right now I am looking for this fib to be active. We need to have price close below this white line here. That's our 23 line. After we get a close below the 23 line, then we'll be looking for a bounce maybe off of 50%. If it does not bounce off 50%, we'll be using our extension again to draw out to see where the potential take profit would be. Our entry would be just above the 0. Okay, so I am not calling a trade right now. I'm telling you the analysis on the 1 hour. We're looking for price to keep pushing up. We need a 236 candle close. It needs to close below 23. Okay, for this fib to be active. It is not yet active. Okay, but once a candle closes below 23, we'll be looking to see what it does next. If it gives us a deeper retracement down to 50%, then we'll take the 50 entry. If it does not retrace to 50%, then we will take the 0 entry. So look out on TradingView for that. You guys should be following me on TradingView because the updates for the trades from YouTube are given out on TradingView. Okay, just to keep you in the loop when we're moving stop losses and take profits and things like that. Okay, but I'll update you guys on this particular entry in TradingView a little bit later because we need to let the market move around a little bit. Okay, but that is going to wrap us up. Go ahead and follow me on all of these socials. I will be traveling quite a bit this year with my team and with my mentor just for our business that we run. Because investments are a real thing. We really want to just kind of spread the word about cryptocurrency and some of the investments that we're doing. So if you are interested in that, please let me know. I'll be dropping some flyers and things like that of where our travels will take us on Instagram. That way you guys can stay up to date there. If you are going to be in any of these areas, please feel free to just pop in, you know. But like I said, that's going to wrap us up there. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'm always happy to answer those. If you are not inside of the academy, if you're not in a trade house or group already, please reach out to me because we do have a few spaces that we're opening up on our team right now. So reach out to me through the comment section below. If you go into the description of every one of my videos, it gives you all of my socials so you can see how to get in contact with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, everything, right? So reach out to me and I'll be happy to go over the details with you. But yeah, that's going to wrap us up here. I hope you guys are having an awesome and productive day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.